Here we'll go over the Outland Living Firebowl Deluxe Fire Pit 893.
Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail.
And also this rechargeable lighter by EZLight. It functions with easy lighting. You just turn the knob all the way to the left and take your lighter, ignite the lava rocks, and it fires right up. Note, the premium fire pit model 870 offers the automatic ignition feature that doesn't need a separate lighter. Now, back to our deluxe fire pit 893 is portable with a metal cover with a comfortable hand carrying kit with a total weight of 23 pounds. The simple knob lights and adjusts the burner similar to the functions as would a stovetop control knob. Includes natural lava rocks that burn with no smoke. No cleanup needed. It does have a slight hissing noise at higher flame. Will keep your area warm and cozy up to a 10-foot radius. This kit includes a 10-foot long propane hose with regulator and propane tank stabilizer ring that easily connects to a standard 5-gallon propane tank. You have the option for a natural gas conversion kit using model 780 by Outland Living, compatible with Firebowl models 823, 893, and 883. Includes a regulator and it's 12 feet long. Here we'll be lighting our fire using the EZLight rechargeable electric lighter. Here I'll be going over its features and how it works. The button function is a spring-loaded safety slider for full function for safety by pressing and holding this round power button and slide the slider. Here's the recharging port and includes this easy to read instruction manual. The USB recharging cable is included. This safety slider has a built-in LED battery level indicator. While simultaneously pressing the round power button and sliding the safety slider, the electric arc prongs will start to fire. Conveniently attached to the rear is a silicone hook so you can hang it. Now we're ready to light our fire. Note, it only has a propane smell while lighting. These Outland Living fire pits are available in multiple sizes and different shapes using propane or wood. They also carry patio furniture, camp stoves, torches, tent covers, camp gear, and vertical gardens.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.